Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0tdi M6F 150HP 5-door in sleek black. Packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, Android Auto or Carplay, and safety systems like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. With a luxurious interior and stylish exterior, this SUV is perfect for any adventure. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us now or visit laharts.ie for more information.